are going to love the 2016 Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV thanks to its high safety scores, strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, heated seats, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, rear window defroster, tachometer, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.